something for breakfast before our big 5-hour road trip at the State Farm Diner.
The State Farm Diner? That's State Farm. This is the diner.
Only joking, this is called Hogan's, they just don't have a sign. Thank you, lady. We are now in Vermont, but we still have a couple hours to go. How many hours would you say?
Maybe 2.
We just stopped at a gas station to have a pee break, and Miranda asked if there's any donuts. And then she went right back to sleep. All she wants is donuts and sleep, and I can't blame her.
Come on. Oh yeah. Did Mom buy me a nice coffee?
No, she got you donuts. Just kidding.
Tease her, Xavier.
Maybe I'll just
Found her donuts. Couldn't be better than that. These donuts are amazing and they're really big.
They have an all-gender bathroom.
I know, we used it.
Oh, he's waiting for you, man.
Uh-oh.
No, I'm going. There's a guy behind me.
We have arrived. That's really beautiful. So it's a tradition with my family to come in the summertime to Vermont, and we rent a different lake house every time, sometimes in different towns. We haven't been to Eden before, which is where we are right now, and I love it. It's really beautiful here. So my parents just left to the grocery store to go food shopping, and me and Miranda decided to stay at the house. Miranda's just reading up at the house right now, and so I decided to come down by the water and just kind of hang out and do some droning probably. And yesterday I took the drone up in the sky and was able to see around the corner because we're at the bottom of the lake right now, and it goes around a bend and we can see that it actually goes for pretty far. So today we'll get to explore that with the boat, which will be pretty fun. We're now heading out to dinner in Stowe for my dad's birthday. We have reservations at 7. We were gonna go early, but we think everything closed around 5, so there wasn't any point. So now we're just gonna go to the restaurant.